I just hope Olive's okay with you getting her clothes a bit dirty.
It's a lot of texts. Can you call?
It's all good.
So is it where you kill me?
This is the path to Raven's Rock. That's where I killed you.
Well, I did want to do that hike today. So let's go.
You're gonna love this one. Come on.
History alive here because people in the city.
You stole my vision board on games night. And I can appreciate that you may be experiencing feelings about Moreno, but forcing a woman with
Toilet brush.
is just real.
Oh,
Who's right?
spot catch, drainage catch.
Let's run a clean campaign and leave the kids out of this. They didn't choose this life. We
I don't know
did.
what is this.
I used to love your bathing suit.
Boot and butt scrap.
Remember that?
I had forgotten.
Hi, Justin Lovejoy, Simple Cottage Renter. When faced with new construction and renovation on the lake, how do you plan to ensure lake heritage is preserved?
I will start a committee to make sure that development and renovations on the lake are controlled.
Wow, what is this?
I would argue that
It's a
development
shoes.
is good thing. It ups property
What
value,
is
which
this?
benefits us all.
What if we give Bryce dough?
Of course, I mean modest renovations and general upkeep.
People need to stop painting deck chairs scarlet. It's tricky.
So is adultery.
If elected, I will stop Macy's embargo on party pumpkins and tubing hours. When we're guaranteed!
Temu unboxing.
The boat council's decision to limit certain watercraft is very much on par with other lakes in the area.
Which we all appreciate. Skin this flawless requires 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep.
What are you gonna do about the wild boars? A pack was spotted at Newmarket. For real?
Newmarket is what, 600 kilometers away? Can Boars drive?
Ignoring the threat won't stop them.
There are many ways to deal with invasive species, but yelling isn't one of them.
Why don't we take 10 minutes and then we can share our closing statements and then vote? Ulrika? Can I talk to you for a second?
So how we do this? What is that? It's like a toilet brush.
It's one of my favorite places on the lake.
Oh, cool. Did you get a pic then?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Here, I'll do it.
How do you do this?
Reach.
I don't get it.
Get the water.
So how do you put it on the side?
And you're cool if I post this pic.
Yeah, it's a good one.
And you're cool with me tagging you, right? Like so all our friends can see?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm doing it. Now.
Ready to jump?
Come again?
The best way to get into the water is to jump off Raven's Rock.
You know that if rain rains, the lake goes full frat house. Or was that your fantasy all along?
Not since I was 12, and you should have thought of that before you scared Jane away.
There's a reason that Jane is my VP. She cannot handle the power plays.
Oh, bullshit. Jane taught you everything that you know. Her yearbook wanking play was iconic bullying.
Oh, sweetie, that was me. I just let Jane take the fall. Anyway, I did it for you. Your dad thought you were straight for
Oh,
2
here.
years.
You may have stolen his love and been trapped in your bedroom, but I am not some fat kid locked in your trunk at a Smash Mouth concert anymore. I will not let you destroy my family legacy.
Na naman?
It's sealed now. Airtight.
Welcome home.
You know, I'm
that
good. I'm like totally fine with just staying up here forever.
Okay, well, the jump's scarier than the water.
It's not helping.
What is this?
Ah! Honey dicked you.
Is this?
Honey,
Oh,
what?
it's a TV.
It's where you set up a trap using your
Gee, unbelievable.
lady dick wiles.
I'm just trying to help you get the water.
Yeah, he helps me too.
I
He
can
makes
watch
forms.
a
You take me
DVD.
hiking.
Through the
How's Sarah gonna feel about this?
Sarah, honestly, she wouldn't care.
If I were your girlfriend, I'd care a shit ton.
Sarah's in the code. Our parents are best friends, and they've been standing us since we were diapers. But Sarah came out to me this year, and I agreed to keep saying the right thing until she came out to her parents.
So you're just this like really cool, really decent guy who wants to help.
You think I'm cool?
Here comes the trash from Temu.